welcome back to my channel, your channel, our channel, the Wrapped and Scraps channel, where we repurpose, recycle, and reuse all parts of our life. If you are not familiar with the channel, please get familiar with the channel, comment, like, rate, subscribe, all that jazz. I appreciate it in advance, okay? Friends, it's been a while, I know, but I'm not gonna waste your time. We're gonna jump right on into this video, and we're gonna be talking about the things that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Ross, etc, 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 etc in the last, let's say, week. Okay, so let's get into it. In case you're wondering what I'm drinking, some Grand Marnier and orange juice. If you haven't tried that combo, if you drink, try it and thank me later. All right, so the first thing, first of all, as you can see behind me, I finally finished my little DIY project, and I'm going to be inserting some clips, some pictures, and we're going to talk about that in a minute, okay? But let's get into the pillows that I purchased for the sofa. You have not seen the sofa yet, have you? No, I don't think you've seen it. Anyhow, you're going to be seeing that too. So that's probably going to be toward the end of the video somewhere in there. I'll throw it in there, okay? You guys, I've been working hard. So this pillow I bought from, let it focus for a minute. So I bought this pillow. I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them from Home Goods, okay? They were $34.99. This is all the stuff I bought very recently, so if you check your Home Goods, wherever you are, you might find it, okay? This pillow here, I bought, well, I got 3 of them, and I bought this one from Monique Chante's boutique because, friends, I made this pillow. Repurpose, recycle, and reuse. Yeah, we're gonna be talking about how I made this pillow. Can you tell between the two that I made one? This one has better stuffing in it. It has like downing feather, and this one doesn't. But friends, this is my first time trying the piping, and the zipper's at the bottom here somewhere. God, I hid the zipper pretty good. I can't even find it. Girl, what's the zipper? Oh, okay. See there? There's a zipper there. And I didn't serge the ends. And I did that on purpose because in the video that I'm sharing with you guys on how I made it, I know some people don't have a serger. So I kept it pretty simple. But as you can see, it's very nice. And guess what? The repurposed part, I got new curtains in my family room. And so I decided to buy an extra panel because I wanted some of the stuff to match on my in my living room. So I bought an extra panel of the not shower curtains, Lord help me, it's late, y'all, it's late. You can see behind me outside, it's getting dark. From the curtains that I bought for the living room, I bought an extra panel and I made 3 pillows like this. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I did that as well. But yes, you can't really tell the difference. They're the same size, okay? All right, next up, you guys know I like the pumpkins. It's pumpkin season around here. So here we go. She's pretty pumpkin. We paid $16.99 for her. Where did I buy her at? Home Goods. I already know where I got her. Home Goods. All right, next one. We're gonna be doing some DIY to this one. Again, friends, my friends, if you haven't, do me a favor really quickly. If you haven't already, please hit please hit the like button and subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of the Wrapped and Scraps family. So this one I paid $29.99 for. Now, my plan for this pumpkin, okay, gotta get serious for a minute. I love the pumpkin. I love the gold detail. Okay, beautiful pumpkin. But I want to do some cobalt blue, and to match back there, going from cobalt blue to white to silver or something like that. But I'm gonna leave all the gold, okay? So that's my plans for that, and you're gonna see this in the upcoming video. I have lots and lots, this is just the beginning of it, lots and lots of decor stuff for flower arrangements that I've gathered from Hobby Lobby. That one's Hobby Lobby. These are Michael's. The rest of these are Michael's aside from this one, and then I have tons more that is around the house. Now let's get into the good stuff. So it's a line called excuse me, you guys who know me know my allergies, bless my soul, they're horrible right now. Yes, I've taken allergy pills that my body don't care. They don't care. I think they just dissolve the allergy pills. It doesn't even work. Anyhow, so this is by Acorn and Oak. See if it'll pull it. Okay, Acorn and Oak. I paid $14.99 for him. He's really cute. Really, really cute. Little bowl here. Little squirrel bowl. Very cute. Okay, so I picked him up for $14.99. He retails for way more than that, and I know because I just recently looked it up. Here's the big ones. Well, the big one's coming next. This one also is by Acorn and Oak. I got it again from Home Goods, $24.99. Now, this one right now, if you guys can go out and find him, okay? He's $24.99, but he retails for $115, okay? And I'll insert the link of where I saw that at. So that's that. I got just one of him. Just one because, you know, I only needed one of him. But friend. All right. So, Big Bertha here. Do you see how beautiful? Do you see this? Look how big this is. Look. Now, I host Thanksgiving most of the time. Most of the time in my family. And I saw her and I said, you know what? Wouldn't she be pretty just to put a nice cheese plate on, or set up a wine station, or set up any type of eating station, or maybe, you know, cover it with a glass down here, like a oval glass, and set the turkey on there. And I thought, well, you know, there's no point in just getting one. I mean, since we gonna do it. Okay, y'all, see if I can do this without dropping. Yeah, so I bought two. I bought the only two, and there were several women in there, and I don't blame them, because I would have did the same thing. They were kind of hovering around a little bit to see if I was going to place it back on the rack, and I was trying to pretend like I didn't know they were there, but eventually I had to just turn around and tell them, look sis, I appreciate your due diligence, because I would do the same thing, but I am not putting these back. Now, how much did I pay for Big Bertha, you ask? Well, I'm gonna tell you. I paid, let me see, what a sticker, I'm gonna show y'all. Let me show y'all. $49.99 for this giant platter. Yeah, I know. $49.99 for Big Bertha. So I had to get them both, and I thought, because when I saw them, they didn't have a price tag, and the lady told me, I just put those out and there's no price tag yet. Let me go make you one. And so I said, okay, well, if it's under 89, if it's $89.99 or under, I'll take them. If it's more than 89, I won't. But $49.99, hey, 2 for 1 in my opinion. So I got 2 of those, and I checked them out and looked at them. Retail $219. Yeah, $219 each. And I'll insert a link of where I found that. All right, so let's get into the dishes. I got 7 of each. It's called Grace Fine Porcelain. $4.99 each. I picked up 7. I have a place seating of 6, so I always get 7 just in case my clumsy little self drops one. Okay, now here's the bigger plate. Same pattern here. Really pretty, again by Grace. Microwavable and dishwasher safe. Made in China, like everything we buy. All right, so I got 7 of each of those. I picked up some towels because why not? I also picked up, ooh, let me grab it. It's heavy, hold on. I went to World Market today, friends. Sorry, turkey, I mean to scoot you like that. So as you can see, it's a 3-lamp stand here. Can you guys see that? It's 3 lamps on a stand all the way to the ground. Maybe if I sit it back here, y'all can see it. World Market, and I paid $79.99 for that. Let me show you up close again so you guys could see. Just 3 of them. You could put tea lanterns in there. Okay. Next, Oh, I stopped by Williams Sonoma. You guys, I love Williams Sonoma. I love William in Sonoma. It's one of my favorite stores. They have, since Turkey Day is coming along real soon, they have the best turkey brine. Okay, once I started buying my turkey brine from there, I never went back to regular turkey brine. Check them out for the turkey brine, but get it like a month or so ahead of time because it will be gone. Okay, so from Williams Sonoma, for those of you who are familiar with Williams Sonoma, I picked up the steakhouse rub. I smelt this outside. The lady was in there sauteing something, and it smelled so good. When I went in, I was like, what are you cooking? And where is it? So this one was $14.95, and it's just a steakhouse rub for steak. Some seasoning. I'll open it so you can see. What did I drop? What is it? Oh, a tie for the bag. Just some rub. I know you didn't pay that much for just a little bit of seasoning. Yes, sis, I did, because I know the quality that's going to be in this little bit of seasoning. It's going to be very good if it's anything like that brine. And the way it was smelling, honey, I was going to eat my own self. Okay. All right. Next up, now again, I'm in the course, in case you're wondering, I'm in the course of decoring my living room, like my staple stuff for my living room. So I bought some of these tables here, these two little tables. They were gray behind us, and I did gold around the interior of the little mirrors, and it came out great. Threw some vases up. These pictures here, I added all the blue and the gold, you know, and stuff like that. So I was buying stuff for my staple living room, trying to incorporate things for fall as well. Okay, so I picked up this bowl, and you'll see in a minute why I got the bowl. $24.99, TJ Maxx. Pretty bowl there. Very nice. Okay, texture is important to me, and I do mix metals. Let me show you what else I got. All right, so also I picked up this little dome here, $21.99. I picked it up from Home Goods, and I thought it would just be nice to stack some pumpkins or whatever I want year round in here on my mantle. So that's why I got this. All right, next up, to go along with that bowl I just purchased, I got two of these tall. I'm sitting in chair, you see how tall it is, right? I got two of these from At Home, and they were on sale for $109 each at the At Home store. Okay, so I got two of those, and these are going on the side of my fireplace. All right, so I also picked up two of these balls here. I just really, again, I like the texture of these. They're gold. I mean, I might do, I don't think I'll leave them gold, but as you can see, they're gold. Okay, so I have two of them. You can see they're different sizes. This one was $12.99. This one was $7.99. Home Goods. Okay, Home Good. So I picked up two of these vases. Right now I got a candle in there I was burning. What was I burning? Mahogany Teak Wood by Bath and Body Works. I'm sure all of you ladies are familiar with that one. My favorite, my absolute favorite. So I picked up this one. I really liked the colors in it. Kind of blues, gold, silvers, and brass. So that's that. I picked up two of these. So again, like I said, this whole area, these pictures, I'll insert a picture of what they look like before I'll insert a picture of what they looked like before I decided to put my spin on it. But none of the blue or gold, dark gold, was there. This is just gonna be like my all-around decor here. So I got my flowers from Hobby Lobby, I believe, and I had some left over. And then this vase, I have two of these, one on either side. I've had that for God knows how many years. It used to be purple. This ginger jar I picked up from a thrift store. Seashell, again, I'm changing over to fall stuff, but this is my summer decor. I gold leafed this little jar here that I had, and I placed some flowers in there. You can see all of that. Here's something else I picked up recently. This decanter, really pretty. Absolutely love it. It's beautiful. I also picked up these beads about a week and a half ago. Home Goods, both of those. These I've had for a while. I have board games, puzzles, and really nothing in the top one. But as you can see, the blue and gold on the table came out pretty good. I'm happy with it. Down here, this vase I got from Home Goods, and this bowl, or kind of like a bowl, I got from Home Goods as well. Mr. Octopus here, I think I got him from TJ Maxx. So yeah, so that's how this shelf turned out. Again, I bought the tables, there's two of them pushed together. I got those from TJ Maxx, no, Ross. Those are from Ross, and I painted them a cobalt blue, the same color that I painted my craft room. So they're both the same color. The pictures I also got from Ross and helped them out with some more DIY. And it came out really good. My living room, as you can see, is a mess because I got all my stuff here that I was sharing with you guys. But there are my curtains. So this is the sofa, actually sectional, that I purchased recently. As you can see, it is gray. Home Goods is where I got the curtains. You can see that pillow right there has the same pattern as the curtains. I just flipped it. Yep. Okay, there. There we are. So I wanted it to go vertical like the other pillows there. Okay, so those are kind of like my colors on my living room that I'm working on. This blue table is going to my daughter. Eventually my china cabinets will be going too. I gotta get some new china cabinets. Also, I'm in my dining room right now. I still gotta redo some stuff in the china cabinet for Thanksgiving stuff and fall stuff. But here's the rest of the plates. And I bought 2 extra pumpkins because I had broke 2. The ones that I bought originally are from Pier 1. But I broke 2 a couple of years ago and couldn't find them again. And I found these, which are the same exact pumpkin but a lighter color, at Home Goods. So I've got a couple of my pumpkins out. These and that stuff over there I'm going to be doing a DIY with. And I got all my flowers over there just ready for tomorrow. So stay tuned, friends. If you haven't already, comment, rate, and subscribe. I'm gonna be working on some flower arrangements tomorrow, some tablescapes tomorrow, and other decor around this house. Oh, and I forgot to say, I bought some spoons, some spatulas. All right, so that's it for now, you guys. Remember to stay wrapped in scraps, meaning repurpose, recycle, and reuse all parts of your life. Remember to stay loving you, because you can't love anyone else if you don't love you. Remember to stay loving God, because He is love. Remember to stay loving life. I'll see you in the next video, okay? Soon. Comment, rate, and subscribe for me. See you in the next video. Bye.